Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer from GitLab to Bitbucket using repository mirroring, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and log in to your GitLab account. Navigate to the repository you want to transfer. Click on the settings option in the left sidebar. Scroll down and select repository. Find the section labeled mirroring repositories. Click on the expand. In a new tab, log in to your Bitbucket account. Create a new repository in Bitbucket where you want to mirror your GitLab repo. Copy the HTTPS or SSH URL of your new Bitbucket repository. Return to your GitLab repository settings. In the Git repository URL field, paste the Bitbucket repository URL you copied. Choose the mirroring direction by selecting push or pull. If you select push, ensure you enter your Bitbucket credentials or access token. Enable the option to mirror only protected branches if desired. Click on the Mirror Repository button to initiate the transfer. Wait for the process to complete, which may take some time depending on the size of your repository. Once complete, verify that the repository has been mirrored by checking your Bitbucket account. If you opted for scheduled mirroring, confirm the schedule suits your requirements. For ongoing sync, test pushing changes to your GitLab repository. Ensure that those changes appear in your Bitbucket repository as expected. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred your repository from GitLab to Bitbucket using repository mirroring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.